For your makeup, you're going to start with foundation. It can be any foundation. You're going to take a sponge or a brush. I use a sponge because I think it's easier, but you can use whatever you want. You're just going to put it on your hand and then cover your face with it and blend it out until it's all over your skin. When you're putting your foundation on, you also want to make sure to blend down your neck and to cover your eyelids with the foundation. Next, you don't have to do this, but you can take concealer and just put it under your eyes, just like 2 dots, and then blend it out, but you don't have to. After you have your foundation on, you can take a bronzer. It can be like this type of cream bronzer, or it can be a powder, and you're gonna put it on top of your forehead over here, on your cheeks down here, and then on your jawline down here. And you can put some on your nose too, but you don't have to. Then you can take your brush and just blend it out until it's smooth. The bronzer will help like give shadow on your face so that it's not just one color. Then you're gonna take a blush. It can be any blush, powder or like cream. You're gonna take a brush, dip it in there, and put it on. You're gonna wanna put more blush than you usually do so that it shows up on stage and in your pictures. So don't be scared to like put a lot on. Next, you're going to take a setting powder and just use like any big brush. This powder will help you stay like matte and not look sweaty. So you can just put it over where you usually sweat. So like around here or over your nose. Under your eyes. And just anywhere that you sweat. Okay, you're gonna let the powder sit on your face for like 5 to 10 minutes. So while you wait for it to sit, you can do your eyebrows. So you can take an eyebrow pencil or like a cream, like a pomade, to do your eyebrows, or you can even use dark eyeshadow. But I just brush my eyebrows out with this spoolie tool. And then I take the other side, like this darker pencil, to just fill it in. And just follow the natural shape of my eyebrows to make them darker so that you can see them on stage. Make sure to take your finger and like swipe through your brows so that it blends out. And then you can brush through it again a little more if you want to. Okay. Okay, after a couple minutes, you can take your brush and just blend in the powder that you put on before so that you don't see it on your face. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Tarte palette, but you can use any palette you want. I'm just going to put a light color on my eyelids to start it off, so I'm going to use this like light white, and I'm going to put it basically all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to take this pink color and put it on like the inner corners and the outer to blend it out, and make sure you blend or else there's going to be like a line going across your eye. I'm also going to use the same lighter color from before to put it over the eyeshadow or like above it to blend the line out.